Southern California is about to flip the weather switch again. It's part of a bigger climate story taking shape across the state.
CBS LA climatologist Marina Jurica explains what's behind this wild weather shift.
Southern California is on a weather roller coaster this week. We spent the last few days in the upper 80s to low 90s, but by late week, temperatures crash into the low 60s with rain on the way. That's a 30-degree swing, and it tells a bigger climate story. This warm spell is happening later in the fall than it used to. Research shows that the start of California's rainy season has shifted about 27 days later since the 1960s. Behind that delay are changes in big atmospheric circulation. You hear me talk about the Aleutian Low often. It's a semi-permanent low pressure system near Alaska. It's now strengthening later in the year, which is delaying one of our major rain sources. Also, the mid-latitude storm track that typically dips south into California in autumn is also arriving late, meaning more summer-like patterns extending well into October and November. That keeps us warmer and drier longer. And when soils bake in the sun for weeks, they repel water at first, like a dried sponge. So early storms tend to run off instead of soaking in. And that sets us up for a two-part hazard. First, fire risk. Extra dry grasses ignite more easily, and we now get some of our strongest Santa Ana winds well into late fall. Then, flood risk. When the rain finally arrives, fast runoff can mean street flooding, erosion, and in burn scar areas, even debris flows. That's mud mixed with rocks that can move as fast as a car. Southern California has always been defined by extremes, but climate change is stretching those extremes further apart. So this week, we're seeing more than just a weather shift. We're seeing a climate trend in motion. Marina Jurica, CBS LA.